Hi guys, it's Megan here at the Green River Chamber of Commerce. I am going to be talking about in this video your monthly member spotlight, which you have the option of signing up for because you're a chamber member, and it's one of the benefits you get with your chamber uh, dues every month or every year. Ugh, not monthly dues, they're yearly dues. So monthly member spotlight, we're already full for this year. But we do have January of starting next year already available for pre-sign up. The only month out of next year, 2022, that's taken up right now is April. So definitely call and book your month. And I'm going to show you why you should, because it's a really great advertising promotion for you. So, of course, in the weekly e-newsletters, if you already watched the Tollgate member in the Tollgate member Facebook group, if you already watched the overview that I did for the Tollgate community e-newsletter, you've seen that the monthly member spotlight is definitely highlighted in there each time that it goes out, and it's also that way in the Tollgate member e-newsletter, and I'm trying to figure out a way to do it in the Tollgate member Facebook group, so stay tuned for that. I am working on that still. So you're definitely highlighted in the weekly e-newsletters, like I just said. So social media, on our Facebook, you are highlighted at the very top. It's pinned when you bring stuff in for the Green River Chamber table right here. We take pictures of your table and everything that you have displayed out, and we pin that to the top of our Facebook page, the Green River Chamber, and we share it once a week. For people to remember that you are the monthly member spotlight and to come up and see your stuff, and if you brought like freebies for people to take from the table, to come and get those, or if you left business cards, to come and grab one of those as well. So we have the social media, and then of course the Green River table, which I was just talking about, swag, flyers. For February, Hearts and Flowers was the monthly member spotlight, and she brought up a fresh bouquet of flowers each week, and it was beautiful. And not only did the people who came into the chamber love it, but we here at the chamber loved it because it was just so refreshing to see all the snow outside and to look over and see these beautiful flowers just sitting there looking absolutely gorgeous. And then for like March, Green River Paw Spa, they brought up pictures in picture frames, gorgeous picture frames, of all the dogs that they've groomed. And they were just so cute, and all the visitors that came in, they fell in love with all those pictures. And she left her business cards, and a lot of those business cards were gone. So definitely bring business cards, because if you have a nice looking table, people want your information. So for April, we had Sage Hillstead Law, which was Matthew Law, but it's now under new ownership. And they brought up information on the attorneys that are now practicing there, and they brought up like little notebooks, and I think all of those were gone when they came back at the end of the month because everybody loved them. This month we have Birch Dental, May 2021. We have Birch Dental, and they have set up quite the great setup right now of like products that they have for people to see what they have. So, you know, they can go in there and get them. So that's pretty smart. So for mentions, we're getting ready to start up our Lunch and Learns again. So that'll be in June. So the first monthly member spotlight for this year that's going to get mentions at Lunch and Learn is going to be Wild Sage Market. So they're going to get mentioned on June 16th at our Lunch and Learn. And so that we get mentions there. And then we also try to, if you're the monthly member spotlight and somebody calls and it pertains to your type of business, you're going to be the exact first person that we refer for them to go to. So digital sign ads, you get an entire month free on the digital sign. So because you're the monthly member spotlight, you get a whole month free. That's $100 worth right there of free advertising because you're the monthly member spotlight. So you definitely want to call and book your spot now because they fill up quite quickly. Like I said, this year's all booked. And we are starting to take names for next year. In April, next year's already taken. So you'll definitely want to call and get yourself a month because the advertising that is in this is amazing. And we're always trying to come up with new ways that we can get our monthly member spotlights noticed, So definitely come up and get your spot and see our current monthly member spotlight and let us know how we're doing on the monthly member spotlight. And heck, if you have an idea that you think would be good for the monthly member spotlight to introduce to it, definitely bring it up to us and we'll look into it and see if we can do it or not. So that is all for the monthly member spotlight. I will next be talking about our 24-hour kiosk. So thanks for watching, guys.